Welcome back to my channel. Let's do the invisible join and weave in the tail afterwards. To hide it securely, cut the yarn and pull out the tail. Thread the needle. Insert the needle through both top loops on the left, through the top loops of second DC. Then in between the front and back loop on the right side. That's the invisible join. Turn around. On the back side, insert the needle through the closest loop on the left, either on the left or right side, whichever is easier and closest. Then make a knot with the same loop, while holding on to the last invisible stitch of the project. Again, insert the needle through the closest loop to hide the knot behind it. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Questions or suggestions? Then just weave in the rest of the yarn in the comments below to hide it and secure it. Have any questions or suggestions? Then just weave in the rest of the yarn for more security. Leave in the comments below. Thanks for watching.